we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections of this circle, and at which to find letters will the pointer stop if it's rotated clockwise through S 1174. So look, 8 will go into 1174. This will tell me how many times it goes around the circle. 8 will go into 11 one time, that's 8. Subtract, that's 37. That's going to be 4 times 8 is 32, and that's subtract is 5 and a 4. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 6 is 48, with the remainder equals 6. So it goes around this circle 146 times, and then it's got to go 6 more clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it ends up at E.